fuck? Is this your head over here?
Oh, yeah! What
Is that a glitch?
Hey, what is up guys? This is me Pyro. Welcome to my channel. And today's video, we are playing Enter the Gungeon. And today, my friend Ashwin is joined here with me. He's from CB Fitness. Go check out his channel.
So for those of you who don't know my channel, go check it out, CB Fitness. I got crazy videos on calisthenics and other fitness information. So go check out my channel and
I'll
show
try
love.
putting the link
my
right
friend Pyro.
here, somewhere here. I'll just put the link somewhere here. Good.
So without wasting further time, let's get playing.
Okay, now I'm going to be choosing Marine and he's going to be taking this
the
co-op thingy. I don't know what it's called.
I think it's called the Enchantress or the
Okay, so let's get in.
the Mistress. I don't like this character because she has a Nerf gun and that kind of sucks.
So here we are back in the dungeon. So we are in chamber 1.
Okay, so I need to get used to it a little bit because
Actually, Ashwin is a pro in this game.
oh shit, you gotta be careful with it. Oh shit!
I think you're not used to playing with that guy. I think you're getting confused, right?
It's a bit confusing when you play with because I gotta look at my character and the screen as well, so
Yeah.
it gets a little confusing sometimes, but it's okay.
Yeah, going that side.
Let's put this way.
Okay. Good save.
Oh shit! There's a door. Oh my god!
Oh shit.
You lost your helmet. Be careful. Be careful.
What? Why are they two? Okay. Die. Should the shotgun go?
Wait, just see what's that. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away!
I'm just kidding. I don't think you can only kill him if you're in the same room.
No, I have killed him while being in a different room. Be careful! Be careful! We don't want to lose too much health on these guys.
The mech is really bad. Oh shit.
Man, I hate the mimic.
Oh,
Oh yes, oh it's a Molotov.
You take the Molotov.
Oh shit.
No, you take the revive. Take the revive.
You take the Molotov. You take the Molotov. The Molotov's really useful. Take it.
Got it.
Go. And the Molotov regenerates too. So that's one plus point about
so
the Molotov.
it's not just one.
It's not just one.
Oh, good. I
Maybe
never
keep-
knew that.
It refills.
Reload, Ashwin, reload.
What's this? Backpack.
No, don't buy a thing now. We'll just go.
Let's go.
We don't even have money
Let's
to
go.
buy.
This way. Yeah, let's go. Good. I think both of us have the same health.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I hate these bomb guys.
Oh shit, just dodge. Just dodge. Don't waste it.
Okay.
Wait,
Take that.
Okay, come.
Because you just have the nerf gun. That's really bad. Try shooting her. I don't know what gun that is.
Oh, it shoots
it's
water.
the water. Yeah,
It shoots
the
water and it's like a water shotgun. Let's go into it. Yeah.
Oh, this is actually good.
Oh shit. Wait.
What is that? Ammo?
Ammo.
Oh, this guy.
Oh shit!
Did you dodge him?
Yeah, I dodged one.
Okay. Oh, that was so stupid of me. I almost ran into the bullet myself.
I'm going to try saving this gun for the boss, but oh shit!
Oh,
Be careful,
the
be
night
careful.
guy.
The night guy. The best way to dodge the night guy is to go around him. And okay, that was a little bit stupid.
But this guy is actually, not that tough to defeat.
With all this shit going on in the background.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, just.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh.
And I lost it. It's okay.
Oh my god! I was looking at your character and I got confused.
That's the
Problem with this game, yeah.
That's the shitty part about
Oh, okay.
You better be careful.
We're
with
pretty
your
much
health.
the same health.
We both have the same health, yeah.
We will go this way.
No, it's close.
But at least we have a revive this time, so that's one good thing.
No,
provided we don't.
the thing is that it'll be better if I die because you can revive me. Or it doesn't matter actually.
Yeah,
whoever
even you
dies.
can revive me. I don't know what does. I don't know why they have these empty rooms.
Sometimes there is a secret room, like a secret switch in the empty room. Yeah. Down.
Okay, I thought I was there already. Whoa. I don't have you. Oh. Okay. I pretty much lost our enemy.
Wait, let me take that.
Oh yeah. I hope we get another chest or something. Ashwin? Oh my god. Oh, the wizard. Kill him before he...
Yeah.
Okay, this book. It's a spell book, right? Okay, you took the shield.
I think
I'm just going to shoot that for fun.
okay, there's a door over there.
There, that's it. Cool.
The thing is, we just need to get used to, knowing our
Okay.
locations.
We don't have a key.
Oh shit, yeah.
Don't shoot it.
Maybe we can buy a key or I think.
Or we'll just wait. We'll just see how it works. Wait,
Yeah.
we'll just see.
Oh, there's a room over here. There's a room right here. There's a
No,
room right
just
here.
see.
Let's explore this room.
Yeah, we'll do that.
So we're almost done. We
Just
need
have one room left. And mostly that should be the boss room, I feel. Because we never went through the boss room.
I don't have that good feeling about this run, but
Yeah. But we still have a revive in hand, so let's hope for the best.
done.
So there's one more room here. Yeah,
Okay,
that's the
so
boss.
let's teleport to the shop.
Do it.
No, I can't do it. Wait, I
No,
don't
no,
know.
no. What? Wait.
Let me try.
Right,
Let me
do
try.
it. Wait.
We
I'm
need
low on health, but should
Yeah.
we get a key?
I
Get
think
the key, get the key.
I
We
feel
have
it.
revive. Get the key.
Okay. No, where is it? Yeah. Just leave.
What is that? Can I
Oh
take it?
shit! It just take it.
What is that?
It just prevents like damage from poison.
Oh,
So that item sucks. But it's okay. Doesn't matter.
okay.
If we can get.
Ashwin, listen.
I hope it's the Gatling gull.
Are you?
because- Oh shit!
No, it's the king. This guy is actually bad.
I hate this guy. So let's use our blanks.
Okay, listen,
already.
Ashwin. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die because I have very low health.
Don't
So,
die immediately.
I'm not dying immediately. I'm saying, try staying alive. I'll use my blanks and I'll try staying.
Use your blanks now.
Because once I die, I can flank you. Cool. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I just have like a bit of health left. Ashwin, don't die. Let's take. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead, Ashwin.
Ah
Oh
shit!
my god. That was. Okay, it was a pretty good run. It wasn't that great.
Yeah, it wasn't that great. It was
So
okay.
let's try another round. And this time we're going to level 3. Am I right?
Let's try our best. It wasn't my best run.
Okay. This time.
The thing is, it's pretty confusing.
No, this time. Last time we were like too fast and we didn't dodge.
Dodge. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I again got confused. That's the worst part, I keep getting confused if it's me or with you.
Oh!
What the heck? So both of us lost our health. I lost my shield. You lost your. That's fine.
Let's stay close together and
Yeah.
eliminate the enemies together. Okay.
Oh, kill that guy for me.
Yeah, I'm taking them out. Taking them.
Oh, good. I dodged it again. And I dodged it again. Oh my god, that was so close.
Good teamwork for that. Let's take out this guy. Oh, this guy is a pain in the ass. Good job.
Good.
Oh shit, there's another one here. There's another one here.
Killing him from the side.
Oh shit, watch out.
I dodged.
Nice.
Okay. Get the bomb guy first. Kill it. Okay.
Kill this guy. Kill this guy. This guy is beating the ass.
Go this way.
Good teamwork on this one now. Oh shit, man. These guys are like experts.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going for the shield guy. I mean, the knight guy. And I sucked at that.
That was a stupid goal.
Oh no. Kill it. Oh, he's dead. Oh, even he's dead. Good.
Oh, there are more.
There are more. There are more. I just. Okay, this guy is not that tough. Should we
Well,
go
let's
inside?
unlock the shopkeeper first.
So what does he have? What is knife shield by the way? I never bought it even once.
Oh yeah, I know what it is. It's like these knives keeps rotating around you, and whoever touches it,
They die.
they die. Yeah,
Cool. Never bought it.
it's we could use it for the
Is it like
for the
a
boss.
one-hit shield or what?
I'm not exact. I think so. It's one. I'm not too sure.
I'm getting the spell book. Oh, okay.
But we didn't lose him. Yeah.
We'll go to this room. Should we? Go here.
I think it might be an item.
That's why. Oh no. Oh yeah. You shoot the grenade guy. Oh my
Oh shit, man! Man,
Okay.
it sucks.
This guy actually saved my life, you know the
rubber bullet.
yeah. He just pushed me away from me getting a shot.
There is a book over here, so we better take care of
This
the book
meat
first.
boy guy again. You know, have you played this game, Super Meat Boy?
Oh yeah, I have. Oh shit! Man, these
He's dead.
guys are pissed off.
Go this way.
I think we both have the same amount of health. Oh shit, oh shit.
I almost got
Yeah.
confused again. Oh, I got. Oh, there's a guy this side. I got. Oh, okay, Ashwin. I almost. Yeah, I actually sucked at this game. I'm really sorry. I think you should have taken the marine.
Yeah. Oh man, these ghost guys are a pain in the ass.
Wait, Ashwin, I'm gonna die anytime now. These rubber bullets in the second level, right? They actually get a shot. I mean,
Yeah,
do
they
take
get
a-
electrified.
Yeah, they get electrified. Like that. I don't know how that's possible. Oh,
Oh shit, oh man, I was looking at your character again.
cool. I'm just clinging on to this by a half health. What's that?
I don't know.
Check it. Check
Vote of
it.
confidence. What does that do? No, I can't check. You have to check your items.
Okay, I
What's
don't know how to
your-
do that. Fine, this. I hope it's something good. Doesn't seem like.
Sun doesn't seem to be going our way.
Oh,
Oh!
okay. Now he's gonna hit me. Try flanking him. Okay, cool. That was good.
Okay, but you're still low on health.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go here.
Not too sure.
Okay, again the secret room.
Wait, wait, just try shooting this thing, this fireplace.
I don't think anything is gonna happen. I never tried it though. Okay. Okay, I just think they're wasting time here.
Go to this room, go to this room.
I have really low health. Nope. Oh, it's
This way, this way.
Why isn't he going? Oh wait, the ghost is gonna appear somewhere in that section. We just got a hang of it now. Okay, no, we don't
Ah,
have.
shit.
Wait, we'll go to the merchant.
Yeah. Let's take key.
Oh, Oh, we have 45 this time. Wait, can I take half health? Or should I wait for it?
No, I don't think you should waste any of it.
I hope we get the hexagon. Oh, what is, oh, it's a battery gun or something. Shoot it?
Oh
Okay.
shit, this looks crazy. Come, let's go to the next
Boss.
area.
Wait, I don't. Yeah, here, there.
I think this is the,
No,
this is the fastest way. This
I
looks
just
like
hope
a,
this is recording actually.
this-
Yeah, without-
This gun looks like a Duracell battery.
I know. Mostly it should be the boss room because
I
it's
hope
really.
this gun's really OP. Oh, it's
Oh,
the boss
this is
room.
the boss. Wait. We'll just go get a health for me. Anyways, we have 20 points left or something. Okay.
Okay. What about this one? What about this one?
That's like 35.
Oh, that's 35. Okay. Let's do this.
You-
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is going to be interesting.
Yeah, so you stay this side, I'll stay on the other side.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
I don't know where
He
he's
jumped. He just jumped.
I don't know where he's. Oh, this place is actually big enough, you know. What?
But we gotta be really careful.
What? Oh my
Shit.
god.
Oh, somebody here. Somebody.
I already got shot once.
That,
So
that was really stupid. Anything.
how did I even get shot? Okay, it isn't that OP. Is it though?
No. It is.
Okay, Ashwin, please stay alive.
Yeah.
I'll try getting as much damage as I can. Just shield yourself so that when I die you can revive me. And I just died. Okay, wait, Ashwin.
No, okay, no. Stay near me. Stay near me.
Yeah.
Stay near me.
You're running too fast.
Let's find him. Let's find him.
You're running too fast, Ashwin. I'm not
I know.
able. Okay.
Wait. Just stay near me. Just stay near me.
Yeah.
Do this. Now.
What the hell? I just.
Yeah. You did good. You did good.
Ashwin, try reviving me.
No.
I did it, but then it was too bad. You have 2 blanks left, though.
Oh, this gun's really good.
It's good. Oh yeah, you took away a lot of his health. But Ashwin, I think it'd be a good idea for you to revive me.
Wait. Not right now.
Wait. Oh my god, I'm not able to flank that. Okay. Yeah, good. Oh shit, I think I wasted that. Ashwin, please feel free to.
Wait, I'll revive you after this round.
Yeah, okay, but then don't die, please don't
Because
die.
I haven't even taken a single damage, so.
Take that thing, right? That other item there.
No, I'll wait for you to come back.
Oh no, he's right there, wait. Ashwin run.
Wait.
You tell me when to use, when to flank. Because I don't want to waste it. Okay, you're gonna kill him anytime now. You want me to? Do you want
No.
me? Okay. I'll just do it this
Instead.
fun of it. Good.
I don't think I took even a single damage.
That was great.
Oh! And that revived you!
Oh!
It's because I killed him without even taking a
Oh
single bit of
my.
damage.
That's great. Oh, we got a key. Wait, I need that help.
Okay, and what boots are these?
Okay, can I take that?
You take that and I'll take this.
I don't even have that. What is
Wait,
it?
what's this?
Just
That-
take it.
that was
Wait. I think I have my ammo drop here somewhere. We'll just go search for it. Should be here somewhere. I dropped it. Pretty sure.
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh yeah, it's right
Oh,
there.
it's right there. Oh,
Wait,
Tony,
I'll
call an
call-
hammer drop
yeah.
for me. Yeah. Oh, don't use it now. Don't use it now.
Okay.
Don't use it now.
Were
It's
you
fine.
waiting for a better gun or something?
No. The thing is, I have some ammo right. Like,
Yeah, okay, we'll go. I think there's some secret room or something.
Oh, here it is. Down here. It was quite close.
I don't know why we're acting like noobs all of a sudden.
Oh, this was it.
It was a pretty decent run, and I'm really happy that I just got revived without any effort.
Yeah, and we saved our revive.
Yeah.
That's one good thing. And you got all your health back too.
Which is no use. I mean, I really suck. But still,
So,
which side should be there?
so what most of people do is they get a good gun and they hardly use it and they save it for the boss.
Oh,
But that's
wait,
the-
Ashwin.
Oh, okay.
What is
okay.
this thing?
Oh shit! This is like an extra heart container.
Oh, that's
But wait.
right.
Okay, so we don't have money to buy this too. Okay, fine. It's fine. I need another heart. because I'm pretty low on cards
Yeah,
too.
Ashwin, I'll take the initial
Okay,
flank
wait,
or
wait.
whatever.
Okay, this
I'll
guy's
just-
here. Yeah.
Oh, who's
Oh
this
shit!
guy?
Kill this guy. That guy's a pain in the ass.
Who's that guy? I've never seen him.
Oh, trust me, he's bad news.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this gun's OP.
It's actually good.
It's actually good. You know.
We'll go this way.
I think wait. Let me try it out. Let me try it out.
Wait. What? Okay, you try it out.
Oh, it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. And
Best-
I'm not using much ammo either.
Where did we go?
Back to the same room we came to.
Okay.
Okay, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here.
Hey, what is that?
I think there's a prison cell over here.
Yeah, that's what we could unlock a character, you know, if we get the golden key or whatever.
Okay, so it's the merchants.
You unlock them in your game, is it?
Yeah. So they sell you items that you get in the dungeon. You can't use the items immediately, but you can like once you play the game.
Out of randomness, you get it.
Yeah.
Oh my
it's a
god,
sniper,
it's
it's a sniper.
Oh, that was a pretty good save. Oh shit, I fell down. What the hell?
That's the worst way you can die. Oh shit!
Oh, these.
Someone's killing me! Someone's
No,
killing
these
me!
are these are
Oh shit!
I don't know. These rubber bullets.
Oh damn! Oh!
Ashwin, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Oh shit!
Oh, these guys. At least they're harmless, you know. They don't take away. Oh, come back. Hide here,
Oh
hide here,
shit!
hide here.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait, stay close! Stay close! Stay close! You take them out! You take them out! I don't want to waste bullets on them.
Yeah, I'm taking them out. Don't. How are they not falling in the?
Now let me take that. Let me take that. I'm low on that.
Come this way.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Nothing.
Oh
Hey,
my god,
watch
no.
out! Watch out!
Okay, good.
We don't want to die in stupid ways.
That's what I do. Oh shit. Okay, I didn't lose him there. Shoot the. Yeah. How come you didn't die even after you shot the barrel? Oh,
Something.
the worst part is once he hits you, you can't even revive. You can't even put out the fire unless you fire.
Oh, I found a way to put out the fire. It's you dodge roll right exactly when the meter's gonna like oh shit.
What meter?
Oh, I'll show you. It's better if I show it to you.
I don't think. Oh.
I used the blanket the wrong time.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I think we got it. Oh man, that was a horrible dodge.
Oh. See, I told you I suck. Oh shit. 2 snipers at me. These guys are getting.
I think it'll be a good thing if you call the ammo drop right now.
Okay. Wait.
Can we clear this room? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ammo drop.
What? What that? I don't know why he's not calling the ammo drop.
Oh shit! It's because it's my gun.
What do you mean?
You can't call the ammo drop. You can only call the ammo drop for your guns.
Oh, is there a way that you can give me that gun?
You can throw the item. Throw it.
Wait, I'm not able to throw it.
Yeah.
Throw
Now I'll pick it up
it. Use it and take back the.
and yeah, I'll use it.
Why are you not using it?
Yeah.
Take that back.
It's a smart way to play the game.
Oh, good. And we have it. Oh, what's
It's
that?
a med pack. Should I take it? I think you need it.
No, you go for. Okay.
Come, let's go.
What? Oh, I
Let's
can
unlock.
use it whenever I need it.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes and then
Be sure. Don't forget to use it because what happens is that most of the time.
No, since we have, I mean, I have you there. What does the thing do actually?
How much money do we have?
Wait, I need to be careful because Ashwin, I'll tell you something. You go to the door first and then I'll follow you because I can't go through these small gaps. Who's this guy?
That's only. Don't go fight them. Don't go fight them. Just dodge them.
I just really hope I find a gun. No, at least that Uzi there. Oh wait, let me help you there. Oh, I got confused there for a second.
These guys get really stubborn as you proceed in the dungeon.
In the sense?
In the sense they take more than just 3 bullets to die.
Oh.
Okay, I don't think we have another key.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
No, don't. We have to buy a key.
I know. Wait, let's see. Well, let's go here first.
So we'll finish.
Let's go here first. Let's finish everything.
Okay, going. Yeah, that's a safer way to go. Oh, okay.
Oh wait, I'll take that.
Good. But I don't. Okay, anyways, it's gonna go this way.
Just
Oh
don't die. Just
God.
don't die.
No, I almost fell down, you know. I fell in.
Don't die.
Forgetting to reload.
My aim's aren't on point. But yeah. Kevin, you're taking unnecessary damage.
Did I get it? Did I take damage?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, it's an ammo crate and this thing. Wait, I'll take the ammo.
Yeah, just come. Wait, let me jump this way.
Okay.
At least that helped me a bit.
It wasn't totally useless. Okay.
I just like it. Oh shit, I almost forgot to reload.
Yeah, just leave them alone.
Yeah, reload it. This way. I knew that it was done.
Oh, this was our best run.
So far. It's not the best run, but it's a good run.
I hate those bullets.
Yeah, whenever I see them, oh no, Ashwin, you're in a bad place.
Oh shit.
Okay, good time to use a plan.
Oh shit, I almost went to the fire.
Okay, Ashwin, should I use the? Do you need the?
No.
Ashwin, I'll tell you something.
I think it's better if I have the medi pack because I have the better gun.
Yeah, sure. I'm trying to throw it away, but he's not throwing it. I have no clue why he's not throwing it. Throw it. Yeah, he threw it.
Okay.
Use it. Okay, now I have two blacks. I just.
Okay, I think.
use them.
Wait, one second.
Ashwin, wait.
Are we missing some room? Because
Yeah.
we don't have the golden key yet.
Yeah. I don't think you get it always. Oh wait, maybe we missed it in this game. Will it be visible on the map if you have the key somewhere?
No, let's just see. Let's just look around. Is it possible that we missed the key?
I don't think that's possible. Okay. Ashwin, why don't we go get the key?
Okay, yeah. Wait, how much is the key? How much is
30.
And the health?
78.
And oh no, this thing.
This health
Yeah,
is 24.
How many blanks do you have?
I have to.
Okay, buy the key.
I have enough.
Buy the health too. Okay.
Now let's go away.
It's a good thing I used the health pack
Yeah, I know.
since I have the better gun.
I hope I get a gun now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, something is better
Something
than
nothing.
Okay. Wait, we'll go ahead.
Okay, I hope it's not Medusa
Oh, please don't scare me.
or the door either. Oh shit, it's this guy.
I've never
Oh, this guy has missiles that follow you. He has a laser beam, so you need to dodge roll a lot for this guy.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
Okay, now he's gonna use his laser. Don't use a blank. It's actually easy to dodge his.
I'm dead. See ya. Never mind. Oh wait, I can do this, right? Oh shit. Did I?
No.
Should I?
It doesn't work. It doesn't work on that.
No, I didn't have it refilled. Where am I first of all?
Oh man,
This is, this guy is actually OP.
no, it's not that tough, but
To me he is.
oh shit, man. My gun's taking forever.
Ashwin, you're really good at this game. kill those mini eye thingies. I call them.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Ashwin, just in case they're gonna die, try reviving me before that. What do you
Just keep an eye on my health.
Okay, you just have one. You just have maybe half. You
Yeah.
just have half a. Ashwin, I think it's. You revived me. Okay.
Yeah, I revived you.
I didn't see that.
Come on. Don't dodge roll him.
Ashwin, we just need to survive this.
It's almost done. Reload, stupid gun.
Oh my god, I died again, Ashwin.
Kevin.
Oh
shit,
we got
and the golden key was right.
Oh, anyways got revived.
And we got a free key.
Get the health, get the shield.
Oh shit.
What is this thing? What is this thing? What is that, Ashwin?
Did you get revived for free?
Yeah. Ashwin, what is this? Oh, I got a gun.
What gun?
Did I get a gun?
No.
What is that?
That's your jump.
What is that?
Just dodge roll.
What is that? Oh, okay, no farm. What is that?
Oh, I got a new gun.
Ashwin, can you give me a gun if you can?
Oh my god.
Can you give me the old gun, please?
Okay, I'll give you this gun, but I'm not sure how to give it to you. How do I drop a gun?
I have no clue.
I think.
Okay, guys, you
I
take
think
a
it's F. Try F. I think it's G.
No, F is to use. Anyways, you don't have an item.
Yeah, I dropped the gun.
Thank you for that.
But the gun doesn't have has hardly any ammo in it.
Are you sure?
What? Is this your head over here?
Oh, yeah! What
Is
the
that a
heck?
glitch?
Okay, wait. We need to go unlock these.
Oh wait, there's a gun right here too. Where did you drop that gun?
Oh, I had that gun. Wait, let us go here. Where's that place?
Let's go to this guy.
No, go here first.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yes. We may be free.
That guy's missing one arm.
Okay, wait, should we go to the merchant now? Yes, he's right here. We just have 12, I don't think we can buy anything from him. Hey, wait, do we have a chest left or something? How do we have a key now?
No, it's fine. We opened the one which was left.
Okay, let's get it. Do you have any more revives left?
I hope this gun's like one hit kill.
This is the first time I'm ever getting to the 3rd level, guys, and I'm really psyched out about that.
Like that boss was really tough. And
He did all the work. I'm just, following him or whatever.
Like Kevin was the bait.
Yeah.
I didn't get that, but okay, whatever. Oh shit! I'm not sure if this gun's one hit kill.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's like 2 hit kill. And I just lost my shield.
You had a shield.
Supposedly.
Oh.
Okay, these things poison.
Okay, but then do
Man,
it die if you
I'm-
go on the brown part.
Oh yeah. Be careful.
Oh shit.
Oh, and don't shoot these guys. Be careful. Don't shoot their bullets.
Oh no. I think I died. How did I die?
Come here. Where's the thing that's producing all these bubbles?
I saw some weird thing there. Okay, died. Ashwin, I think I was.
I'm gonna die now.
There's no way I can revive you. Oh wait, Ashwin. Okay. What's that thing that comes above your head?
Don't step on this. Oh shit, I'm dead. Take with. Oh yeah, I can.
Oh wait. Now die. Die, you fool.
Come. Okay, wait.
Okay.
I can't kill it by.
Oh shit! Oh no! Blank!
Wait, stay near me.
Why is he not dying that fast?
Shit.
Right, Charizard.
Wait, don't stay inside. I'm gonna try to just wait there. I'm gonna try and don't. Oh shit. Okay. Take this.
What's that thing?
Take that. Find out where the secret room is. Just do one thing. Find out. Oh,
No,
shit.
wait,
So
wait.
the merchant's over here. Try going there.
Wait. I'll jump this side, cause Okay, now we'll go. Just search. Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay, there is.
What are these? Oh my god.
So the entire map's unlocked.
What is this thing here?
That's a secret room.
How do you get there?
Don't worry, we should use a plank of that. So okay, let's get to the merchant.
Okay.
Come.
I'm just really scared, Ashwin. You know, please blank me.
You just hide now, hide. And be careful, be careful. That was a good run.
Okay, I officially suck at this game.
But all good things must come to an
But
end.
whatever, guys. Thanks for watching my video. And stay tuned for more content. Please go to his channel. Check out his channel. He makes cool videos on calisthenics. Please go check out his channel.
So thanks for watching with us, guys. Stay awesome.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. And please go check out Ashwin's channel. It's CB Fitness and he makes cool videos on calisthenics. Until next time, peace. I'm just